What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flat Wraps. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I want to take a little time and moment, show you guys some of the work we got going on in the shop today. We are getting to the summer, so a lot of window tint. People are starting to always get their cars tinted, and it is the right time to do it. Let me show you guys what we got going on. We got right here a Tesla Model X. It is one of our shop vehicles. My wife and kids drive this. We got a green, I don't know what it's called, wrap on this. We also powder coated the wheels, took off the old wrap. And we did all the window trim matching. This is the older Model X. So the older Model X comes in a chrome window trim. It's a 2018. So this is kind of her daily driver. So very nice color change wrap. We're going to be ceramic coating this and adding the company name on the bottom along the sides. Wheels are powder coated in bronze. Ceramic tinted the windows. Some of them had a couple of nicks and scratches from the kids, you know. So we had to redo that as well. Right here to our PPF room, we have a black Cadillac CTSV. We're doing black PPF. Reason why we're doing black PPF is because the car had a lot of swirl marks. Customer wanted it to look as good as possible, and he wanted the black to be more pure. And the black on the PPF is a lot more black, a lot more pure than the black from the paint. So we're doing black PPF all around on this Cadillac. So you can see one of our installers is right there installing the bumper. The quarter panel is done, doors are done. We're making some good progress. We got a couple of guys on it. We got Rodrigo right there, the master, doing PPF, as well as Eduardo and Fisher. And then we have this McLaren 750S, brand new off the lot, getting a full track pack, ceramic coating, and window tint. This is what we call our ultimate protection package, which basically covers all the high impact areas. You got the front bumper, you got the headlights, you got the fenders, hood, pillars, and then the track pack takes the bottom of the door there, rocker panels going around there with PPF. Then on top of that, we do a ceramic coating, which is what our installer is applying right now, all around on top of the PPF as well as the paint, and then ceramic window tint from XPEL all around on the car. So this one has the windshield done, the two doors, and the rear as well, all ceramic coated, ceramic tinted. Then we have a Royce done over there. Let me get around here. One thing as usual with the PPF is all the edges are wrapped. So if you look here, you don't see no edges, you don't see any of the seams. There is seams, there has to be seams, unfortunately, in this case. However, we make it to where they're very, very hard to see, and everything's covered and everything's protected. This is why clients like this, from all kinds of vehicles, going from a Cadillac to McLaren to a Tesla to this truck, choose us. Now we have this truck. It's a autism awareness truck. Got a full print wrap. The design was not, let me see, there you go, fix the camera. The design was not done by us. The design was provided by 201 Wrap, Paint is Dead, Austin with Paint is Dead sent us this design. This truck is going to a show here in Las Vegas, a print show. So we printed this on our latex printers. They provided the design. We're doing the installation, obviously, as you can see. Full custom print wrap on this. This has this Tundra, again, variety of vehicles, Spice of Life. We got different vehicles. This Tundra is getting our partial front end package, so it's basically a brass. So you got the bumper. Having trouble controlling the camera. We got the bumper and got the PPF, and then right here on the fenders. So kind of like the brass people used to have back in the 90s, where you protect the front end, the very high impact area. This is very affordable, less than $1,000 depending on the vehicle. It could be as low as $895, $1,000, $1,100 depending on the vehicle. For the brass, you get the bumper, the leading 16 inches of the hood, and the fender tips, and the headlights in this case done. Here we have a Tesla Model 3 getting a full color change. The material has not arrived, but we went ahead already and tinted the windows. We got XPEL ceramic window tint, 20% all around. Let's check out the gaps on the window. It's a beautiful install. And then we're going to be disassembling it and wrapping it. It's going to get a lavender from vinyl fry, which is going to look very nice. This Royce is getting a full color change. We're going to be pulling the doors out later today or tomorrow, as the material also makes its way down here. Doing a piggy bank pink with a custom laminate from KPMF, and we're doing the door jambs and everything. So it's gonna be a very, very nice looking project. This one's gonna be one you're gonna see a lot on social media and at the car shows, because this is owned by one of our clients, Brent. Done a few projects for him. We did the Porsche 911 with the Hello Kitty wrap. We did a Defender for him in camo. We did a 1960 something Porsche replica, and we did a very nice cool wrap on, a pink one on that one. And these other Porsche, we did a blue wrap, and then we had a spray paint live at a car show. So this car is going to be seeing some car shows. Very cool project. Very excited for that one. It's going to be one of a kind as we pair up a custom material with a custom laminate. Now over here we have a Jeep Grand Wagoneer getting a track pack PPF. So very similar to the McLaren. full front end plus the bottom of the doors and the rocker panels, all protected with our paint protection film, which comes with a lifetime, not a lifetime, sorry about that, comes with a 10-year warranty, paint protection film, all the wrapped edges and everything done. So a lot of BPF this week. We got a few more commercial vehicles outside. Let me kind of show you a little bit of it, not too much, because we do have a lot going on. This Cadillac CTSV is getting a track pack as well, so same coverage. The car is getting washed now, it's going to get protected. And then if we go over there, we got this RB. In the RB, what we did is we tinted the windows, we wrapped some mirrors, we did a stacker trailer to match, and on the windows, what we did is we recreated the design and printed it on window prep. So as you can see right there, that window was originally black. Originally, that window was just black, so we copied the design and did it. And then for the stacker trailer, we copied the design, matched the color, printed it, and got it done for him. Let me see if I can pull up a picture here on my phone of what the stacker trailer looked like, so I can give you guys a quick idea. Where is the stacker? There you go. So this is what the stacker trailer looked like when it was completed. I will go ahead and upload that in a separate video on our Instagram or our YouTube. So for those of you that might be looking for a stacker trailer wrap, you can reach out to us. Again, thank you for watching our video. Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps, located in Henderson, 7585 Commercial Way. Happy to assist you, happy to help you in anything that you need. Commercial wrap, color change wrap, paint protection film, or window tint. We also have a very nice Porsche 911 over there, Boster. We removed the PPF and we're replacing a full body PPF. And the G-Wagon that we did a full wrap about a week ago for a promotional event. It's a rental from Dream Exotics. We're removing all the wrap and the car is leaving. Thank you guys for watching. Purple Flare Wraps.